3 dogs.
Huh?
3 dogs.
3 dogs. How many butterflies?
1, 2, 3.
3? Where are they?
Right here.
Okay. What else do you see?
A frog.
A frog?
A gibbon.
A what?
A gibbon.
A kangaroo?
Yeah.
What's a kangaroo do?
Hop, hop, hop.
You're kind of funny. What else do you see?
A rabbit.
A rabbit? Where?
Right there.
Looks like an iPad.
No.
It's a rabbit?
Yeah.
I believe you. Do you see
Rabbit.
anything else?
A frog.
A frog? We already found a frog. Any other animals?
A lion.
A lion?
Whoa.
Whoa, where?